Promoting a Facebook marketing post. Hey there, fellas. A well-composed, well-optimized marketing post on Facebook can generate a ton of engagement quickly at no cost. Yet, the number of people using the platform that you won't reach organically is still astronomical when you think of it. And let us tell you, you don't want to miss them. But to be able to reach those extra eyeballs, you will need to boost your post with a paid promotion. The good news is that you can easily do it with just a few clicks, and in this lesson, we're going to show you the right way to do it. Getting started. You can promote a page post directly from your Facebook page, hassle-free. And all you have to do to get started is to go to your page, to locate the post that you're going to promote, and to click on the Boost Post button. A Boost Post window will appear on screen, and you can start setting it all up. This is easier than it looks. You'll see. Setting up the promotion. Start by selecting your objective, which is the results you want to get from promoting your post. Because the objective of your post is to generate reactions from users to build your presence on Facebook, let's select Get more people to react, comment, and share as the objective. You can add a post button, which is a call to action button for your post, but this is optional. In this case, a CTA button can divert attention from the post directly to the link, so let's click on the post button menu and select No Button. This will encourage users to scan all content in the post before clicking on the link. This also leaves more post real estate to the link preview, which looks way better on the timeline. Let's now move to the audience section. Here you are going to select people you choose through targeting and to click on the Edit button. Next, you're going to select the gender, the minimum and top age of your audience, and your locations. Next, enter a keyword that best describes your potential audience into the Detailed Targeting field and select a detailed targeting criteria from the menu. This will help you to reach people more easily according to interests and behaviors. You can click on Save to save this configuration and continue. Now you're going to scroll down and make sure that Automatic Placements is activated. When this option is active, promoted posts will show on Facebook and many other placements in the Facebook network automatically. Now move to the Budget and Duration section. Here you're going to select the duration first using the Days menu. Next, you're going to enter the amount of money you want to spend to promote your post into the Total Budget field. Here, we recommend that you enter a total of $5 to $10 to test your promotion first. You can then increase this amount. You can see the estimated reach below. This is the number of people that will potentially see and interact with your post according to your total budget and duration. Launching the promotion. Lastly, you're going to select the currency that you're going to use to pay for your ads in the payment section. You can preview your ad in the preview window to the right before you launch your ad. And once you are ready to launch your ad, you'll simply have to click on the Boost button. Your post will start showing between 5 to 15 minutes after launch. And that's it. An easy, affordable way to reach more people with your Facebook.